Kwanza kabisa tumekuja katika siku ya leo, mimi nikiwa rais wa vijana kutoka gatuzi letu la Kisii, tukisema ya kwamba kwa kinagaubaga wote tunawakaribisha vijana wote wa Chenzi na millennial wote ambao wataandamana siku ya kesho, ambayo itakuwa ni anniversary ya mwaka mzima ama mwaka mmoja uliopita tangia vijana wetu kuuawa ama our hero kuuliwa kwa sababu they were exercising the 2010 constitution. Mimi nataka kutoa ujumbe ya kwamba sisi wote tunataka kuhakikisha ya kwamba mambo ya maandamano yapo hapo kesho itakuwa maandamano ya amani. And that's why we have given the notice to all the agencies for security that we want the police to give us security as we exercising our 2010 constitution. Because our young people were shot and killed, we have to remember it's anniversary for 1 year down the line. I want to urge all the young people across 47 counties, not only necessarily to be Nairobi, but all the 47 counties, because those guys who were shot, they came from all the parts of the country. Therefore, we are telling the Kenya Kwanza government that we are going to exercise our constitutional right. We are urging our people to carry just water, phone, the Kenyan flag, so that even the candle, we are going to remember our hero and heroines who died simply because they were exercising their constitutional right. As young people of this nation, we must stand firm so that we can rescue this country. If we cannot be able to raise our alarm and say the government way is doing wrong, nobody under the earth will be able to rescue this country from dogs. We are telling our people, because I've seen in social media everywhere that goons are being mobilized so that they can interfere and interrupt the peaceful demonstration that we are planning to do tomorrow to remember our heroes. But we are warning you, if you are a goon and you are going to be sent to interrupt our peaceful demonstration tomorrow, we will deal with you sacamoniously. We will deal with you perpendicularly. We want to do a peaceful demonstration so that we can be able to remember our hero and heroines who died 1 year down the line when they were exercising their constitutional right. Young people are being killed, others are being abducted, they have never been found up today. And that's why we are saying, as young people of this nation, we must wake up and rise to rescue this country from dogs, to carry flags, to carry water, white peppers, fufuseras, freebies, to make sure that we are doing the peaceful demonstration to rescue this country from dogs. My name is Amosoti Dennis. Viva, viva, viva Kenya, viva. All 47 counties in Kenya, make sure that everything will be done and dealt tomorrow, once and for all.